Hi everyone! Have you ever visited Bandung? Bandung being one of the most visited places because of the culinary.
Hi guys! We are KKSI team from SMK NEGERI Bandung. My name is Juariah.
My name is Alya.
My name is Silmi.
So today we're gonna look for some traditional snack around Bandung.
Okay, so don't forget to follow us.
Let's go!
We went around Bandung and decided to stop at the Kosambi market.
Well guys, now we are in front of Toko Murni Raos oleh-oleh Bandung. So are you curious? Let's get in!
Okay, now we are gonna interview and ask some questions to the seller.
Kalau jual satu pak harga ringginang 20.000.
Itu ada yang mentah sama yang matang, itu beda
Iya,
harganya?
beda. Kalau yang matang mah jual 70.000 sekian. Kalau yang mentah satu pak itu jual 20.000. Dari beras ketan. Alhamdulillah lumayan ya. Kalau Rengginang sih nggak tentu, jualannya yang lain gitu, campur-campur, nggak Rengginang aja. Oh, banyak perbedaannya.
Sangat berpengaruh.
Iya. Tapi sekarang alhamdulillah udah mulai agak berangsur lagi naik.
Terima kasih Pak.
Udah.
Okay, now we are gonna review Rengginang that we fried before.
Usually it has savory flavor. As time by, there are sweet flavors too. But today we're gonna try the original one. It's not too oily and it's so crunchy. Right. And it's well seasoned too. Yes. How's your opinion, Silmi?
Actually, it's my favorite snack, so I have nothing to say. Of course, I like it.
Okay, so guys, how's today's vlog? Do you like it? If you do, then please like, comment, and share this video.
Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel.
See you next time. Bye! Hello everyone! It's our honor to greet you all here. We are KKSI team from SMK NEGERI Bandung. My name is Alya. I'm here as a host in this occasion. And now I'm here with my two partners. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Juariah as presenter.
Hi, my name is Silmi as a moderator.
Thank you for the introduction. So today we're gonna talk about Rengginang, a delicious and crunchy cracker from West Java. Juariah will explain it more clearly, but first, Silmi will tell us the way of the presentation. So please, Silmi, the time is yours.
Well, now let me explain the system of the presentation. First, the presenter will explain the presentation. It will be held around 5 minutes. And for the closing session, the host will take her part again. Okay, let's start the presentation. Julia, the time is yours.
Okay, thanks Silmi. I will start our presentation about traditional snack from West Java. Rengginang is a kind of West Java thick rice cracker made from cooked glutinous sticky rice and seasoned with spice, made into a flat and rounded shape and then sun-dried. The sun-dried Rengginang is deep fried with ample cooking oil to produce a crispy rice cracker. This cracker is quite different from other types of traditional crackers. While most of traditional crackers ingredients are ground into a fine paste, Rengginang retains the shape its rice grains. It is said that in ancient times there were people who previously intended to make sticky rice tape, but because the yeast was the main ingredient, they finally decided to form a dough that had become round and flat, dried and then fatty. Rengginang is known as a symbol of unity and prosperity because it is made of glutinous rice that is sticky to each other and cannot be easily separated. The philosophy that Rangginang is a symbol of unity has emerged. Furthermore, the symbol of prosperity is in Rangginang because both rice and sticky rice bring prosperity to humans as the main source of life, especially in Indonesia. That's all our presentation. I will give it back to Silmi.
Okay, thank you Juariah for presenting. Wow, this is such an interesting topic, right? Now, I'm gonna give it back to Alya.
Thank you, Silmi and Juariah. I think that's it for today. So thanks for all the journalists and audience. See you all next time. Bye bye.